Hello, today you're looking at a rapid 2000 amp 12 volt air-cooled rectifier brought to you by Lanco. Unit has been tested and checked out here by our electricians on staff. It's in very good working condition. We'll turn it on here in a second so you can see and hear it go. It is wired for 480 volt 3-phase. Very nice shape. Overall dimensions 39 inches wide by 29 inches long by 60 inches high. Does have a remote control here that we'll take a look at. Analog meters. To start it, hit the green button. We have some volts go. Oscilloscope there, very slight. This is a filtered machine. If you're interested, please contact Lanco at 888-248-8500 or visit us online at www.lanco-corp.com. Have a great day.